A strong magnitude 5.6 earthquake hit 121 kilometers SE of Panguna, Papua New Guinea, on Friday, May 2, 2025 at 10:59 Greenwich Mean Time. The quake had a shallow depth of 65 kilometers, 40 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, VolcanoDiscovery after 3 minutes. The earthquake occurred 10 weeks after a magnitude 5.6 earthquake had hit on Sunday, February 23, 2025, at 12:31 p.m. GMT +11 local time, in 45 kilometers, 28 miles, distance to the southwest. Data source from VolcanoDiscovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.